What's up, beautiful people? Welcome and welcome back again to our channel, All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video, I'm going to be making one of my client bench, which has a storage for shoes, or it's a bench with a shoe rack basically, and I'm going to be making today in this video. Anyway guys, if this is your first time clicking on our video, feel much welcome in our channel. Feel free to subscribe, feel free to like our videos, commenting on them. Yeah, share with your friends and family. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. So here, as you can see on in the video, I've already made the metal frame of camera. Also did paint it gold of camera. And guys, if you want to know how to do this, but for these ones I normally use more complicated machines. That's why I normally don't record, because even if it's a DIY, some of them are not just DIYs, because you will require more expensive machines to do them. That's why mostly I do them off camera, because that is something you need a lot of training. You have to know how to use these machines, and a lot of work goes in here. So this is something that I will just comment for you, or recommend that you just find a fondi or someone or a welder to make this frame for you, and also do the paint work, so that you can just finish up as what I'm just showing you here. Because if I show you how to do the welding work, how to do the painting work, it's a bit complicated. That's why I usually do them off camera. Anyway, what I'm just showing you here is something that you can try, not only for this bench, but also you can do an Ottoman using this formula. You can do a lot of things using this design. But just watch the video so that you can fully understand all the steps and processes that I've used to make this bench with a shoe rack or storage. You can call it anything that you want. Anyway, I hope you'll enjoy the video. Make sure to like it, comment on it, tell me what you think about it in the comment section down below. And also, we are also going to be uploading soon more videos on about our house transformations. Yeah, so keep visiting our channel, keep updating yourself on the contents that we do upload. Thank you so much, and I really do appreciate you.